So magandang hapon natin mga scuba divers. Nandito tayo ulit ngayon kay bahay kina Zipper. Kailangan nating tulungan siya. So may dala tayong mga kunting pagkain dito. I'll bring some bread, then sugar, coffee. So we have some tomato. So pinagkasya-kasya ko lang mga kaskuba yung kunting sahod ko. So makaano tayo, tulukan niya. So how are you? Good? Always good? No good? Where's your takor? Pastilan takor. So where's your this one for what is this? So where's the so that I make hot water? I get some kahoy. Where's your ring here to put some calderts, pastilan calderts. They come outside so you can eat bread. You have here? Yeah. Sit down here. So, this is Mr. Zipper. Itong kaibigan ko na nangangailangan ng tulong. Bring bread because I have a small salary. That's why then 3 cans, then one of this, yeah, yeah, this is from your country. Then have a little garden, so I'll bring some. You know this one?
I like it.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Then sugar, bread, coffee.
Wow.
Okay. So I'll make some corn to be. Yeah. So I'll do hot water. I'll find some. Here.
Oh, the kahoy is good.
My wife. Mga kaskuba, dapog para mainitan natin to ng tubig. Ka. You like? You like that one?
Mm-hmm.
You eat some bread also? Yeah, bread. So tingnan na nyo mga kaskuba. Kawawa naman. So we boiled water, so we put the here so that you can because you do not know how to burn a fire. So you want to coffee early in the morning, so we had already prepared your hot water. Okay. Yeah. Hirapan tayo sa kalisyon nito. Kailangan mag-init tayo ng tubig para may mainitan yung tiyan niya. Ilagay. So kita nyo naman no, sitwasyon ng ano ng ating amigo. Kailangan natin makapaggawa siya ng mainit na tubig para naman makapagkape siya. Maski paano maano yung sikmura niya. Mainitan din. Do you need in the afternoon? Okay. Why? Huh? Ulit torta? Do you like this also tomato?
Yeah.
How about some bread? So this one, you have a grapon. This is sugar. You have some. You can put this one some in 50 bowl. Huh? And coffee.
Why you hate me?
You don't remember me? I have some a little bit income, so I come here. Because, but sometimes only. Just very far my house. Manuel, this afternoon, is it here? Lapit na to. So, tingnan nyo ang kanyang tinitirahan. Kung nasira-sira na mga kiskuba. So,
kung sino mang na ano nakakita nito kaya makakita ng aking video, sana naman tulungan natin to. Hindi ko si masyadong matulungan siya dahil mahirap lang ako, yung sahod ko naman kunti, minsan-minsan ko lang to siya matulungan. Kaya kung sino may bukal na puso dyan na tumutulong na sa taong ito, sana naman huwag kayong magatubiling tumulong sa kanya. So hanggang dito na lang, no? Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel para masubaybayan niyo pa ang iba ko pang video. Please click the notification bell at mag-share. Ito po inyong lingkod, si Don Under the Sea. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat.